Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. So today I'm going to show you how to adjust your taskbar, make it bigger, make it smaller, adjust the size of your icons, make them bigger, make them smaller, and also how to make your taskbar disappear or you can bring it back, okay? So let's get into the video today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you how to adjust the size of the taskbar. So the first thing you need to do is you need to right click on it and check to see is it locked. So currently my one is locked, so I can't make an adjustment. So you need to take off this tick. So let's click it for a second. Okay, so it should be gone now. Yes, the tick is gone. So now I can adjust the size of my taskbar. So when you move it up and down, you can see this little icon here appears. So once you're on that, you can pull your taskbar up to make it bigger. If you want to make it smaller, you can grab it again, if I'm able to, and you can bring it back down. So that way you can adjust the size of your taskbar, make it bigger, make it smaller, do whatever you want with it. Next thing will be is if you want to adjust the size of your icons, make them smaller. So we right click on it and we go to taskbar settings. Okay, so it's opening here. So in here we can do a lot of different things we can. So the first thing is use small taskbar buttons. So if we want to make it smaller, we can just click on this. It should adjust it. Sometimes it can take a minute. So now you can see my buttons have got much smaller and there's way more room, so I can put a lot more things in it. I can. So it's still adjusting them, it is, but anyway. So if we want to turn that off for a minute, so they should appear back. Sometimes there can be a little delay with doing it, so they'll adjust back. I find when I'm recording they adjust a lot slower they do. Okay, so now as we can see they're beginning to appear back and they should appear as normal in a second. But if we want to hide the taskbar completely, we can actually go up here and there's a setting that says automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So if I click this on the other hand, we can see my taskbar has disappeared. So if I put my mouse down here, it should reappear back. As I'm recording a video, it's probably going to be quite slow, but if you're not recording and you put your mouse down here, it should appear back, and then as you take your mouse out, it will disappear again. So we can see it's kind of slowly coming back. There it is. So there it is. And then when I remove this, it should disappear again. If you want to bring your desktop back, you can just simply click that and it will appear back. And it's as simple as that. So that's how you make your your taskbar bigger, smaller, make the icons bigger and smaller as well. There's also one other very good option there is. So there's down here multiple displays. If you have multiple screens, and this is ticked, it'll appear on all your displays. But if you only want it to appear on your primary display, which this one actually is my primary display, you can untick this. So it won't disappear in this case, but on my other two screens, which you can't actually see, the taskbar has disappeared. So you can hide it apart from your main monitor if you do this. So I'm just going to leave it back on them all. So now it has just appeared on my other two monitors. So now that's how you can do it. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them as quickly as I can. Enjoy the rest of your day.